how to make a business page on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a Facebook page, which is of course a business page for your business. So just make sure to stick with me till the end. If you'd like to basically create a Facebook business page, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch a Facebook app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and if you scroll down right here you'll find pages. Sometimes the pages option could be at the top, but sometimes you may not find it, so look for it in the shortcuts tab. You'll find pages. When you go to pages, of course you'll find create button. Now after from here everything is pretty much self-explanatory. You'll be able to simply follow the instructions. So let me just show you by tapping the create option over here. You can see create your page, tap on get started option. You can simply give it a name depending upon what you like over here, and then just tap the next option. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and then actually enter any of the thing that you want. Tap the next option here. You'll be able to simply select a category. Once you've done that, tap on the create option. Once you tap the create option on the next specific page, again you'll be able to see all the details. You've created a page, so you can choose to create content and connect with fans or promote your products or services, which is best for businesses of course, and then just tap the continue option. Once you've done that, select all these general details, tap the next option, follow the on-screen instructions, and your page will get successfully created. This way you can create a normal page or even a business page on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.